Hi and welcome to Law App. This brief training session is about payments from the general account. From your index or dashboard where you begin, you'll need to go to the left-hand menu until you find the accounting area. You can drop the arrow down to expose the other menu items inside the accounting menu. You're looking for the payments menu. Click on payments. Across the top you'll see new general payments, new supplier payments and disbursement. To the right there's an add button and you can choose the different types of payments that you'd like to do. And this screen presents initially a list of payments in issue date order. You can change the filter of this screen and you can go into any transaction from here by simply pressing the Go To button, which is the square with the arrow. We're going to add a new general ledger payment. Payable to. If Telstra is already in your list of suppliers, you can simply click Telstra. Type the description and how you're making this payment. You've got the payment number, the issue date, the due date, the bank account that it's coming from, and the type of payment that it's coming from. When you're ready, press Save. That will then open up the full payment screen. There's a lot of other fields that you didn't necessarily need. For a general payment, for example, you didn't need the file. You can add a line here. It will give you a general type. You don't need the item. Telephone account. Choose the general ledger code of your choice. Type something you know about it and you'll be given some options. You can put quantities and prices if it's relevant to this payment, but if not, you can go straight across to the gross area and simply type in the amount of the telephone bill. If you want to add another line to this, you can. You simply press the Add button and you can change the type to be another type. Say a portion of this was related to a file, then you could simply choose the file number. You might want to write something specific. If you're using a file number, it'll automatically give you the disbursement general ledger code. Don't change that and then put in the amount. That payment is now ready to go. I can press Save. When I'm ready and at any time I can authorize this and it's ready to go. You can also code these sorts of transactions specifically relating to general ledger payments straight from the bank reconciliation as you go. You can come back into payments to see what you've produced. And as you can see, my telephone item is there for just a brief explanation of the coding of this. This transaction is going to the bank account, the overdraft account. A portion of that is going to the general ledger code for telephones, and the other portion of this transaction is going to the disbursement code in the general ledger, but it's been allocated to a file. If I was to go into the file accounts, I would see this transaction against the file for Andy Hardy. Thanks for joining me, and if you have any questions, you can ask support or check out our help menu. Thanks for joining us here today at Law App for our training videos. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube and check out more training content so that you can be better equipped to conquer your day.